Hey Scratchers, are you ready to jump into action? Welcome back to Kodex Academy. Just press start and let the adventure begin. Let's bounce, jump, survive and repeat. Every level is a new challenge, every jump matters and every victory feels awesome. Can you beat them all? Okay, here the fun begins. Let's jump into Scratch. Now, we'll start to make our game. I don't want this cat, so I'll just delete it. And first, we are going to make our player. For that, go to choose a sprite and go to paint. Now, we are going to paint our player. First, I'm going to make it little and large. Okay. And then I'm going to choose fill color. I'll take the centralize. Outline would be 4. That is okay. Now select the circle and draw it. It's perfect. If you want to make it little broad outline, you can do it. And here I'm going to make 2 beautiful eyes of it. We'll draw like this, like this. Yes, it's look beautiful, right? Okay, our player is ready. It's very simple. And I will give the name player. Now go back to code. So our player is here. Now what we are going to do, we are going to create our different platforms. So first I'll just go to choose a sprite and again go to paint. Here we are going to create 4 different type of platforms. So first I'll take this square and fill color. I will take plain black to create platform over here like this. Here as well. Yes, and we'll place it at the corner. We'll move it little back. Yes, it's done. So we have created 2 boxes over here. And now I will put one bar over here which help the player to move from this side to this side. And for that I will take one specific color. For that I will choose green over here. I don't want any outline. So I'll just remove it. And here I will draw again one rectangle and I will place it over here. So this is my level 1. I will name it 1. And now I'm going to duplicate it. And here I will do some changes for the level 2. So I'll just delete this here and make it enlarge, cover the whole area. And now I will create different stages. Make it copy and paste, place it over here. Next again copy and paste and we'll place it over here. And then again copy and paste and one I will place it over here. And this one if you want to change the color you can do it. Like outline I will make it black and the color I will change it red. That would be fine. And outline I'll make it little denser. So this is the final look. This is my second level. So the costume name is here 2. Now again we are going to draw the third level. So duplicate this. This one we place it over here and here we are going to create third level. You can customize your own platforms as per your wish. Now again copy and paste. This would be my third level. Okay. And the next again we are going to create the fourth level. So duplicate this and in this we are going to increase the difficulty over here. That is here this one will make it little far. Okay. Now this is look good, right? So you can see here we have created 4 different levels. First, second, third and 4, right? And name I have given 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So our player is ready and our platform is also ready. Go back to code. And here we are going to choose one background. Any background you can choose. I will choose this light. Yeah, that is fine for me. Okay. Now go back to player. First, what we are going to do? We are going to set the position of the player. For that, I just choose when the green flag click. Here we'll check its position. Like this is the first position. Come from here and it would be jump over here. So this position I will set. First I will use look block and make it show. And then afterwards go to motion and take go to X position where it's minus 220 and the Y value is 15. So we'll take the same position. Now you can see when I place this player anywhere and just I click on the green flag, automatically it come to this place. Okay. Now what we are going to do? We want this player should be detect our platforms, and afterwards when we are make it fall, automatically it come to the platforms, right? So first we are going to set the position on the platforms. So first we are going to do the coding for touch ground. For that I'm going to create one my block, and here I will type touch ground, touch ground, and here I need one input, and this input I will put up, and here don't forget to click on run without screen refresh. Okay, so this is the block. Now I need to do the movement until the player not touch to black and this green color, it will show the falling movement, right? And for show this falling movement, I want to create two variables. So we'll go to the variables, and here we'll create two variables. First is falling, that is only for this sprite, and second I want speed y, and this is also for this sprite only. Okay, so my two variables are here, and now we'll start the coding for the falling movement. Here we'll go to the control and take repeat until, and in this I'll take operator block, not and or, and here we'll put sensing block touching color. In both we'll put, and this one we'll place it over here. Here we need two color senses, one this black and the other one will take this green. And now until the green color and black color is not touched by player, it show the falling movement, right? Now first we are going to the control block and take if and else condition. In this if it show the up movement, what should be happen? Until it's not touch, it should be change y by -1, else +1. Again change y by 1. And here we need variables, that is, go to variable. First we need falling. The falling variable will set 0, and speed y, that is also will set 0. This is touch the ground movement. Until the player not touch to black color or green color, it will show the falling movement, right? Now we are going to set the falling movement when the green flag click. For that, first I'm going to control block and take wait, it's 0.1 second, and then afterwards I will take forever loop, because this movement I want for forever when the game is running. Now I'm going to variable and take change. First, the speed y should be changed by -1, because it should drop down when the green flag click and it reach to this floor. And then afterwards I'm going to motion and take change y by, this change y by according to the speed y. So we'll go to the variable and take speed y, and then afterwards change falling also by 1. Now afterwards we'll take this block touch ground and we'll place it over here. Touch ground will work until the speed y value is greater than 0. For that, go to operator and take greater than sign. Instead of 50, we will write 0, and here go to variable and place speed y, and we'll place it here. Now we'll see the effect. You can see it's touched to the ground. It's not going down because it's on black color. We have set repeat until if not touched to black color and green color. That's why it's fall down to the ground. Like you can see, you can place anywhere. It fix on this position. And if I'll go there, it fall down. Wherever you will place, it easily get dropped down, right? Okay. And now we are going to set its movement to the x-axis, means left and right, and also we're going to set its movement while we using the up arrow key. For that, I need one more variable, that is speed x. So we're going to create one more variable, go to make a variable, and here we'll type speed x. And now this is also for only this sprite. Click OK, and then we are going to set the speed x according to speed x multiply by 0.9. For that, go to operator and take multiply, and here go to variable, take speed x, and it would be multiply by 0.9. And now we are going to set its speed on x-axis, and now we are going to set its movement according to arrow key. For that, first I'm going to choose control block and take if condition, and here we'll place if the right arrow key press, go to sensing and take key pressed, and here I will choose right arrow. If right arrow key press, go to variable and take change speed x by 0.6. That is the speed we have set, and then make it duplicate, and instead of right arrow we'll take left arrow key and we'll put here minus 0.6. And now we want if and else condition, so we'll take if and else block in which we are going to set the point in direction and how the x will change according to speed x. For that, I'm going to operator block and take less than, and here if the speed x is less than minus 0.5, then go to motion, take point in direction would be minus 90, and change x by according to the variable speed x. Now make it duplicate and keep it over here. Now again we go to control and take if condition. If the x would be greater than 0.5, so we'll go to the operator block and take greater than variable, take speed x, and if it would be greater than 0.5, then point in direction would be 90 instead of minus 90, and change x by is same speed x. Okay, now we'll see the effect. You can see, oh wow, how smoothly it's get changed the speed. But here you can see its eyes is get upside down, right? So we'll take one block here, go to motion and take set rotation left and right. And now we'll see, oh wow, see how smoothly it's changing its eyes position, right? Great job. It's fall down, but still is moving, right? And it's come up, see? Now we'll set the movement for up arrow key. For that, again I am going to take if condition and we'll place it over here. Take the operator block, take end condition. There are two conditions. First, if up arrow key will press, so we'll take up arrow. And second, if the falling speed, if it is become less than 6, automatically the y speed should be set at particular position. For that, I'm going to variable take falling, and also will take operator block less than, put falling over here if it would be less than 6, and we'll place it over here, and then complete block will place over here. Then what would happen? Go to variable and set speed y equal to 9. Now you can see if I click on green flag and if I press up arrow, see, if I'll continuously press, it's bounce like this, and if I'll just leave it, it come to ground, and when time I'll press, it reach to up and then come down. See, it's bouncing also, it's up and down, right and left movement. See how smoothly, oh wow, very smoothly it's crossing, right? Good job. Now to make it more interesting, we are adding some treasure, and also we can add more difficulties in the level. For that, I am adding some spikes, and also I will add diamond as a treasure which our player should be collect. For that, I will take my treasure, diamond and spikes. I will going to download. If you want to create, you can create it also. So I'll just go to upload the sprite. So I'll choose this one, open. This is my treasure sprite, and one more sprite I'm going to download, that is spikes. And here these are my spikes. So I'll place my spikes over here. I want at this position, and the treasure according to my platform I will fix it. Okay, first I'm going to spikes, and here you can see this is my costume. You can centralize it. Now we'll do the coding for spikes. So this is my spikes position in the platforms 1, 2, 3 and 4. In the three platforms we have position for the spikes, but in the second one we not have any position for the spikes. So we'll add these spikes for 1, 3 and 4, not in second. For that, how we'll do the coding? I'll select first and then go back to code. Okay, so I'll go to the costume, select all this, and I will set its position. This is my spikes position. Go back to code. We'll take when green flag click, then looks, show, and now we are set its position. Here go to X and Y, and then afterwards I'm going to control, take forever loop, then if and else condition. Why I'm taking if and else condition? If there is a level 2, we don't want to show these spikes, but for the other spikes I want they should show. Okay, so we'll go to the operator, take equal 1, and here we need one more variable because we need to set the levels. For that, make a variable, and that would be level. Okay, and that is for all sprite. Okay, so now I'll set go to level, and if the level value is equal to 2, then it should hide. Go to looks, hide, otherwise it should show, right? So this is done. It's a very simple coding. Now we are going to our platforms. So I'll just change name of this sprite right over here, platform, and for this player. Okay, now go to platform and we'll set the level for the platform according to the costume number. First we are going to event block, take when green flag click, it should show, and then we'll set its position because we want the centralized position. So go to motion and put its position 0x and 20y. You can set according to your wish. I will set it 20. And now I want first the costume should be first. For that, go to look block and we'll set its costume 1. Okay. Now afterwards, go to control and take forever loop. We'll set the level according to the costume number. For that, go to variable and take set level 2. Go to looks and it will set according to what? According to costume number. It means level 1 means costume 1, level 2 means costume 2. It's very simple. Now we are going to do the coding for our treasure. Just click on the treasure. We have our diamond. First we are going to set its position according to the each level. So we'll go to the costume. I make it duplicate twice because I need this diamond for 3 levels but not for the 4th level. For that, I'll select the first one, make it big, convert to vector, select it, make it little short. It should be set at this position. So this is my first position. Here I will give the name 1. Now we'll go to second, and here the platform also I will select the second. So according to that we can set the position, and before that I'll just hide all my variables, choose the player, and I want to show only level, not other variable. So I'll make it hide and set the level over here. Now for the second one, go to treasure, go to costume, and here we'll set its position as well, and we'll fix it at the top of this red block. We are going to third one, select the third platform, again go to treasure and set the position of third diamond at this position. All positions are set, and I will give the name second and third. Now go back to coding. Here, first I want when the green flag click, it should show. Go to looks and take show. Switch costume to 1. Now we'll take the forever loop. I want whenever the player touch to the diamond, level should be changed. For that, I will take if condition, and in this if condition, take sensing, touching player. If the player is touched the diamond, the player move to the next level. For that, I need to create broadcast. We'll go to event block and take broadcast message. In this broadcast message, I will give the message next level now. And you can see we have set in these 3 levels, but not for the 4th level. So if the 4th level is there, it should hide, otherwise it should show, right? So we'll take if and else block, place it over here, go to operator, take equal, variable, level. If it is equal to 4, it should hide. Go to looks, take hide, otherwise show. And next, go to event. When I receive message next level, the diamond costume also should be changed. So we'll go to the look block and take next costume. Now go to the platform, same, go to event block and take when I receive next level, costume should be changed. Now you can see how it will work. Okay, the first level has completed. Now go to second one. Oh wow, very smoothly it's moving, right? And the third level, it can easily cross, right? You can make it like move up and okay, jump. Oh my god, now it's the 4th level, right? It can directly jump, but you can see when it's go down, we can add some challenge as well, right? First I'll make it stop. I'll go to player first, and in this I will do the coding for spikes. Take if block. If the player touch to the spikes, go to sensing and take touching block and we'll put it over here. Spike. Here we need one broadcast, that is death. It means first of all it not go down, it should come back to its original position. But here also we need one variable, that is life. I want whenever the player touch to the spikes, life should be changed by -1. First I'm going to create one broadcast. Go to event and the broadcast would be death. Okay, I'm going to create one variable, that is lives, and that is for all sprite. Change life by -1. First we should set lives value and also will set the level value, right? So we'll take the set block and we'll place it over here 2 times. First one for lives, I will give 3 chance, so we'll make the life value 3 and the level always should be first. Okay, so level is set now and the lives value also be set. So you can see lives are visible over here and levels are here. And now when I receive death, what should happen? If the player touch to the spikes, automatically it come back to its original position which we have set earlier. You can see this position. Okay, for that go to event block and take when I receive death. What should happen? We'll take the same position, make it duplicate, not the whole block I want only this block. So we'll take this block because I want the same x and y position, and also I want it should be fall to 6. Again it should come this black platform, right? We'll take variable set falling to 6. I don't want to get stuck at one position. And the same for the next level also. I want every level should be start from the same position. For that I'm going to use again event block and take when I receive next level, the position should be same. Make it duplicate and take the same position which we have set for the first level. Yes, now you will see If the player touched to the spikes, what would happen? Let's start moving. Oh, it's come back, and you can see the life is also decreased by 1. Now you can see this thing for the levels as well. I just going to cross one level. Oh, you can see it start from the same position at which position it start for first level. So it will be make better coordination. Now for the third level, again it come to the same position and it reach for the fourth level as well, right? It's easy peasy. It's bouncing very nice. I love that. Now go back to code. Now if you observe for the fourth level, the bar is little bit far. Till third level it would be easy, but the fourth level the bar is little bit far, right? For that we can add some interesting bar that would be moving platform, right? First create one platform that would be moving to make our platformer game more interesting. So here we are going to create the moving platform which makes our game more interesting. So I'll go to sprite and here I am going to paint my sprite. Take the outline black and make it outline 4 or 5. Choose the square and draw one bar. Make it little different shape. We'll make it stretch up like a moving bar. Perfect. And now we'll set its position. We'll make it centralize. Okay. And give the name moving platform. Okay. Now go back to code. For the moving platform, we need to create one block. So we'll go to make a block. That is, first we are going to set its movement, how it will move continuously, and especially it will show only for the fourth level, not for the other level. So I'm going to make a block over here and I will give the name movement. Okay. In this, I'm going to put 3 inputs. The first one is speed, second one is times, and the third one is mode, on X mode or Y mode according to that. Okay, and then go to control block and take repeat, and it should be repeat according to the times, how many times we are going to repeat this action. And then afterwards we'll take the if block. If the mode always be X, we'll take operator block, take equal 1, and here the mode always should be in X value. We'll set the mode over here and also change X by, because it always move in horizontal, not vertical. So change X by according to the speed. Now we'll take event, and when green flag click, first it should be hide because we want only for fourth level, and then go to control forever loop, then take if and else condition. In the if and else condition, if operator, go to variable level, if it is 4, in that case only it will show. Go to looks, take show, and then we'll set its position like I want at this position. Go to motion, we'll take X and Y position and we'll place it over here. The position is X minus 7 and the Y minus 74. And then we are going to my block, and here we'll set its movement because we want it will move continuously for level 4. So here first we are going to set its speed. The speed would be 3 will set because it's going to move in both directions. So first one is +3 and then afterwards -3. Times I will set 50 times for both side, and the mode would be X for both side. Else simple it should hide. So we'll take it like this. Okay, now we'll check. We'll go to first level, now second level, and now third level. Okay, try to reach to the treasure. Oh wow, you can see how smoothly it's moving, but its position is different, right? So we'll make it stop and we'll set its position little different. We'll make it 70 instead of 7. And now we'll see the effect. Again, we need to cross the levels. Okay. Second level. Okay. Third level. Oh, wow. See how smoothly it's moving. Oh, wow. Oh, great job. Okay. Our levels are done. Our hurdles are created. Our variables are also done. But now we are going to set some final movement. I want to take one sprite like as a home. When it reached to the fourth level, automatically we did it. Otherwise, if our life becomes 0, the game should be over, right? So first I'm going to take one more sprite that is a home. So I will type home over here. This is the home button. We can take that one also. And this home I want to place only for the fourth level, and the position would be this. We'll go to costume, make it short. We'll select it and place it at the top. Perfect. Now here we'll write home. Go to code. Here also we'll write only home. Now, what is the coding for this? It's very simple. When the green flag click, first it should hide because we want to show only for the fourth level. Then afterwards, go to control, take forever loop, and then if and else condition. And in the if and else, if the level is 4, go to operator, equal, variable, value is 4, and then again go to looks, and here we'll take show, else, hide. Simple. And one more thing, same like that, go to control, again take if condition, and in this if condition, if player will touch to the house, what would happen? Who will touch? Player touch to the house. It will broadcast you did it because we win this game. So we'll take the broadcast message, create here new message, you did it. Okay, one message is created, and then afterwards the sprite should be hide again, and make hide over here, and then afterwards stop all. Go to control and take stop all. I just click on the green flag and you can see the player is here. Okay, one level cross, lives are safe. Second level, lives are also safe this time. Oh my god, one life is reduced. Make it jump. Very easy. Good. Now we can see our level is 4. We need to take this moving platform. Oh my god. Okay, make it jump like this. Oh, and I need to touch this house. How I do to touch this one? This is quite difficult. Oh my god, only one life. Oh, my life has become -1. Oh wow. See, the house is hide because we have set it. Our player is reached to the house, but we have not created till now. You did it, and the try again backdrop. So first we are going to create this, and also we'll set the coding for the life. It should not be go to -1 or -2. Once it becomes 0, the game should be over, right? So I make it stop, and now we are going to create our backdrops. Go to backdrop, delete this first one, make it duplicate twice, and here I'm going to type you did it. Okay, take the curly one. You can choose any one, it's up to your choice completely. So I'll just make it like this. I just copy my player over here, make it copy, go to backdrop, place it over here. So my player is over here. If you want to take the treasure also, copy, go to backdrop and place it over here. You can make it little large, that would be fine. And the next one, we will make it for try again. Try again. Color, I will take it red, enlarge its size, copy and paste. Good. Our all backdrops are done. Go to code. Very simple coding for the backdrops. First, go to event. When green flag click, go to looks. Always the first backdrop should be light. So automatically it should be this one. And one more coding we have done for the you did it. So when it touched to the house, automatically the backdrop should be changed and take when I receive you did it, the backdrop should be you did it. Okay, now go back to player and here we'll set the coding for the live. Go to event, take when the green flag click, go to control, take forever loop and then afterwards we'll take if condition. In this if condition, if live, go to variable, take live would be 0, place it over here. If the live is 0, go to control, wait for 1 second, then go to event, broadcast new message, and that message would be try again. Okay, now put this broadcast message over here. Then the player should be hide. Put hide over here. Go to control and stop all. That's it. Very simple, right? As we have make the player hide for try again, it should hide when it receive you did it. So we'll set if it receive you did it, it should hide. Now for all other sprite, we'll set when you receive you did it or try again, they should hide. Like for platform also, I will go to event block and take when I receive twice and here we'll set try again and here we'll set you did it. In both case, it should hide. And this one I will copy for the treasure and this is for spikes and this is for moving platform as well and for home as well. Yes, so you can see for all it should come. This one is done. For spikes is also done. For treasure here also it's done. For the player also it's done. And for the home also you did it, we have already set, so we no need for this. And this one is done. Okay, so our game is almost ready right now. To make it more interesting, I want to add some starting part. It is very simple. What I'm going to do, I want before the game is directly going to start, I will add some animation like 3, 2, 1 and go, right? How we're going to create? I'll go to choose a sprite and paint. Here I will choose one effect. That would be fine. Okay, outline I don't want. Select the square. Yes, perfect. And in this, I'll make it copy of 5 costume. Duplicate 4 more times. Yes, costume 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now in first costume, select type, take the blue color. Yes, and here I will type want to play multi-level platformer game. Yes. Okay, I will place it over here. I will make it centralize. And now for this, I will set countdown number. So here I will take pixel and type 3. Make it centralize. Then 2. Select it. Make it bigger and centralize. And then 1. Again same process. We'll make it centralize. And the last one will write go. It's done. And I'll give the name here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It's very simple. Now go back to coding. First we'll take event block and when green flag click, it should show because it's show for the beginning part. And then we'll set its position 0 by 0 to make it centralize. 0 and here also 0. First my costume, it should be fun. Go to look block, take switch costume to 1 and then it should wait for 1 second. Make it duplicate 4 more times. But such kind of animation make your game more interactive. Make it 2, 3, 4 and 5. And here we'll make it wait for 0.5 seconds and then we'll broadcast new message that is start. Okay. And then afterwards it should hide. because it will work at the beginning, afterwards not. Now we'll go back to player. Here we have used when green flag click. But instead of when green flag click, I want the player should be show when the broadcast should be start. Before that, countdown should be done, right? So I will remove this when green flag click. Instead of that, I'll go to event block and take when I receive start. And when the green flag click, the player also should hide, right? And go to backdrop, make it duplicate and take try again also, set try again backdrop. To make it more interesting, we can add some interesting sound as well. For that, go to event block. When you receive start, go to control block, take forever loop, and we can add one sound. Go to sound, take sound, go to loop. Any sound you can take. I'm take it from here. Okay, I will take this dance funky, but make it very tough for me. Okay, and also for you did and the try again, we can take some sounds. Go to sound and here we'll take win sound. We also take lose sound. Okay, go back to code and we'll add all these sounds over here. Lose will do for the try again. Then here we'll set win sound, and for the forever I will set dance funky. Now one more little change we are going to do over here. The lives will set instead of when I receive start, will set the life equal to 3 when the green flag click. Why? Because if by chance we lose the game, when we click on the green flag, life should be set to 3. Then only this animation will work. So now be ready to play this game. Let's click on the full screen. Okay. Want to play this game? 3, 2, 1 and go. Wow, good sound. Oh, one level. Very easily cross and it's taking high jump and same it get fall down as well. Right? And see how its eyes is rolling up. Amazing. Oh, now what should I do? Try to jump over here. Okay. Make it little slow this time. I'll try to jump from here. Oh, no, it's not. I think it's quite difficult. Let's try again. Oh, good job. Oh, wow. Very easily we have crossed the 3rd level. And our 3 lives are here. Okay. Oh my god. Try it again. Okay. Oh. Oh my god. 0 life. Let's try it again. Okay. Now just click on the green flag again. 3, 2, 1 and go. Okay. Wow. 1 level is crossed. Try to cross second one. Second one is also crossed. Oh my god. 1 life again. 3rd one. Good job. Yes, you did it. And see the amazing sound. I hope you understand and like this video. If you like it, please like, subscribe and share with your family and friends. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you will not miss the latest update. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you in the next video.